Hello friends, welcome to my channel Jash Wonders. So today I'm going to share my experience about the Mekong Delta day trip. Hope you will like it. So we have started from our room at 7 a.m. and now we are heading to a rest stop to have some breakfast. This place was really cool and the coffee was great. So now we are heading to our destination with our tour guide. So our first stop was this brick factory. This brick factory was not operational, and you can see these bricks are made from local soil and they lay in the sun to dry before baking in the kiln. These kilns are actually reminding me of ancient pagodas. You just see the picture. So finally we are here at our destination Mekong Delta. This Mekong is called as the rice bowl of Vietnam, and in Vietnam the Mekong Delta is intensively developed for agriculture. There are 21 million people in Mekong and 85% of them are rural. So let's get down there and check it out. This Mekong River is one of the longest river in the world, defining 3000 miles. Now we are going to take sampan ride along the canals. This Mekong Delta is situated in Cambodia and southern Vietnam, where the Mekong River reaches the South China Sea. This Mekong River is known as the Mighty Dragon or the River of Nine Dragons in Vietnam. This is the lifeline of 6 countries: Cambodia, Myanmar, Laos, Vietnam, Thailand and China. Now we are going to see how the life is like in Delta. We are going to a coconut chocolate making factory and we will taste the famous Vietnamese snake wine there.
You see the baby inside? These are the coconut baby. It's more expensive than
Can we eat this?
Oh, lucky.
It's time for lunch and we are feeling really hungry. So our guide is taking us for a scrumptious lunch. So we are going to feast on Vietnamese cuisine at a local house. Let's explore the countryside a bit. Now we are heading back through the canals in the drizzling rain, and I'm really loving the lush water coconut trees and the stunning green foliage. It's 5 p.m. Now it's time to say goodbye to Mekong and head back to our hotel. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.